Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipes and ideas. But today we're not cooking. We're gonna talk about Red Nose Day. If you notice, I got on my red nose, I got on my red jacket. Alright. The reason why I'm doing the Red Nose Day is to tell you guys, tell my fans that Red Nose Days is for the kids in need, and I want everyone to come out and support it. If you didn't support this year, make sure next year you play your part, because Red Nose Day is stand out for the kids who are in need. And you know what, man? The kids which is in need, they are the next generation. They are the future. They are the one which we have to protect them and provide for them and make sure they are being okay. So we have to support the kids which are in need. And the reason why I want to play my part, because I have a little daughter also which is going to be 7-year-old. So I have to play my part because they are for the future. They are the next generation. They are the next one who are going to be coming out to do everything which we are doing today. So listen, Red Nose Days is for the kids which are in need. And a lot of people know that there's a lot of kids in this world which are in need. You can buy your red nose for £2. You can buy your red nose and the support. It's all about support. So today it is Red Nose Day. And big support from Chef Ricardo and the team. And we want to say, fans, we want you to leave your comments below and tell me what you think about Red Nose Day. If you notice, I got on my red nose right here. The reason why I'm doing this video to say, yes, Chef Ricardo been supporting Red Nose Day, and it goes for the kids which are in need. Today, there's a lot of kids all over the world which are in need. And the kids, they are the next generation. They are the future. They are the light, the spotlight. They are the one which going to be the next generation which going to be taking over things. So we have to support them and play our part. So guys, leave your comments below. Tell me what you think about Red Nose Day. If it never happened in Jamaica, Jamaica need to start to do this also. I know Jamaica might do something different, but in England today, 24th of March, is Red Nose Day, and a lot of kids all over the whole place supporting Red Nose Day, and Chef Ricardo play his part. Anyway, thank you so much for leaving your comments and leave your review below. That's where we can know what's going on. As I say, if you have kids at home, if you got a child, if you got a son, ask them about Red Nose Day, because Red Nose Day is it's to support the kids which are in need. Some people cook, some people bake, some people do all different kind of stuff. But today, Chef Ricardo been doing a video to say I'm been supporting Red Nose Day. The kids is for the future. The kids we have to protect them and see that they're okay and see that they're fine. Because I have a little daughter also. So thank you so much, guys, for leaving your comments and leave your review. Tell me what you think. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Google plus Chef Ricardo and get the best recipe. We got a lot more ideas. Healthy recipe, how to lose weight. Someone asked me for a recipe how to put on weight. Look forward for that recipe, which is going to be coming very soon from Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much and stay tuned and see you next time. Bye bye.